Vane, Unveiled, understanding its meaning. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the word, vane. Have you ever come across it and wondered what it means? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meanings and how to use it in context. The first and perhaps the most commonly known meaning of vane is related to a device that shows the direction of the wind. It's often seen on the tops of buildings, especially older ones. Example: the weather vane on the roof turned as the wind changed direction. While the wind-related meaning is the most common, vane can also refer to a flat piece or surface that moves or directs something. Think about the feathered end of an arrow or parts in some machines. Example: the vanes of the windmill rotate to capture wind energy. To truly grasp the meaning of a word, it's often helpful to see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. The vane on the church steeple pointed north. 2. He adjusted the vane on the fan to redirect the airflow. 3. The arrow's vane helped it fly straight towards the target. It's essential to know that vane is often confused with vein, which refers to blood vessels or a distinct streak of emotion or quality. Vain, meaning having an excessively high opinion of oneself or futile efforts. So, always remember the context to pick the right word. And there you have it. Next time you come across the word vane, you'll know its meanings and how to use it correctly. Keep practicing and exploring the English language, and soon these nuances will become second nature to you. Thanks for joining us today, and happy learning!